I'm about to restore this iPhone for free. A 15-year-old boy brought me this phone, and there's a story behind it. His uncle told him, if you can repair this, it's yours. But right now, it's completely dead. Let's bring it back to life. This phone doesn't power on, the display is shattered, and it's not charging at all. First step, let's open it up and find out what's wrong. Welcome to our channel. We bring dead tech back to life. Subscribe for more awesome restorations like this. All right, let's start by removing these bottom screws carefully. This is the first step to bringing this iPhone back to life. So let's get to work. Now it's time to separate the display from the frame. I'm using a thin metal blade to gently cut through the adhesive. You have to be careful here. Don't push too deep or you might damage the inside. Start from the bottom and slowly work your way up, applying light pressure until the screen starts to lift. Patience is key in this step. The adhesive is loose now, so let's carefully separate the display from the frame using just our hands. Start by lifting from the bottom, apply gentle pressure, and wiggle it slowly. If you feel resistance, don't force it. Work around the edges to release the glue evenly. This step is all about control. One wrong pull can damage the flex cables inside. Take your time, and the display will come off cleanly. Next, we'll remove all the screws securing the internal brackets. Use the right screwdriver to avoid stripping them. Keep track of each screw. Different lengths go in different spots. A simple tip, organize them on a magnetic pad in the order you remove them, so reassembly is smooth later. Now, let's carefully remove the shields from the motherboard. These shields protect the internal components, so handle them gently. Use your tweezers to lift them one by one. Don't rush, as bending or damaging them could cause issues later. Make sure to keep all screws and shields organized for easy reassembly. Now that the display is fully separated, let's carefully put it aside for later. We'll need this speaker from the old display, so make sure to keep it safe because we'll transfer it to the new screen soon. Before moving forward, it's important to check the battery voltage. This helps ensure the device is safe to work on and prevents any power-related issues. A healthy voltage means we're good to continue. If the voltage is too low or too high, address that before proceeding. The battery voltage is too low, so the phone won't power on. Let's hit a quick boost. Connect your booster or power supply to the battery terminals and carefully increase the charge just enough to bring it into a safe range. This will allow us to proceed with the repair. Now the battery is boosted and showing 3.7 volts, which is perfect. Let's move on and fix the display. This is